Episode of PS4 jailbreak tutorials. So in this one, we're going to be taking another look at how you can run Linux on your jailbroken PS4 up to firmware 12.02. Unfortunately, things have changed a little bit since my last Linux guide up to 11.0. So the new jailbreak up to 12.02 with the Blu-ray or Lua exploit require the setup to be slightly different. So that's why I'm covering it here again in this video. But Linux is one of the biggest things that you can get running on a jailbroken PS4. You can literally use it as a desktop computer. You can run it as a server. You can use it to run PC games on Steam through Proton and through other launchers. You can also run emulators that are not available on the PS4 operating system through homebrew applications. So things like the Dolphin emulator to run Wii and GameCube games, PS2 emulation, and various other things you can also run on Linux. So definitely a worthwhile thing to get set up on your PS4. And it is set up, like I say, as a dual boot setup. So you're not overwriting the PS4's operating system, which people always seem to be worried about. That is not the case here. It's more of a dual boot. You'll be able to go back and forth between the PS4's operating system and the Linux distribution. And you can install it to the internal drive or the external drive, depending on what type of console you have. So in order to get Linux running on your jailbroken PS4, there are a number of requirements. So you can install Linux to the internal storage of the PS4, but only on certain PS4 models. So it's recommended to install with a USB drive. So make sure you have a USB